Yeah, I guess it. Yeah.
Yeah, we're good? Okay. The 260 we're going to take, we're going to blow up about a hand's length at the end. And burp it real good. So it's actually a little more than a hand's length, because I forgot what I was making. So good hand's length, like 4 to 8 fingers worth of hand's length. Boom. And what we're going to do with this one is we're going to pinch off a small bubble, followed by another small bubble that we ear twist. Small bubble that we ear twist. And then we're going to ear twist that together. This is going to be the mouse's head, followed by a neck. Then we're going to give it a small ear twist that's going to hold his arms out so he can have stability. So we'll get a medium-sized bubble. And 1, 2, and 3 little bubbles. So we have 4 bubbles total for his arms. He's got those little hands. This is what's going to hold him forward. Then we make his body, followed by a medium bubble, and 2 small bubbles, which will be his feet, and another medium bubble. The following bubble goes all the way around those feet, wraps around, and we break off the extra that we don't need, tie that off, and stick that inside, and that becomes our mouse on a unicycle. And I can't sing, so oh well. We're going to add his eyes and a big old smile. And there we go, is our mouse on a unicycle performing, doing all kinds of amazing tricks like backflips. Woo!